Hello, my dear children. How are you all? എല്ലാരും റെഗുലർ ആയിട്ട് ക്ലാസ് കേൾക്കാറുണ്ടോ? വെരി ഗുഡ്. ഓക്കെ. നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ എന്തൊക്കെയാ പഠിച്ചേ? നമ്മള് 2 ഡൈമെൻഷണൽ ഷേപ്സ് പഠിച്ചു അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മള് 3 ഡൈമെൻഷണൽ ഷേപ്സ് പഠിക്കും. അതെന്താണ്? ഇത് നോക്കൂ. Can you see that there are balloons hanging in the room? ഇത് ഏതാ ഷേപ്പ്? Is it a circular shape? No. It looks like a ball, അല്ലേ? ഇത് ബോളിനെ പോലെ അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ it is a spherical shape. Sphere. എന്താ പറയാ നമ്മളിതിനെ? Sphere. ഉരുണ്ടിട്ടല്ലേ? Sphere. അല്ലേ? ഇതിന് എത്ര ഫേസസ് ഉണ്ടാവും? ആകെപ്പാടെ എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ഒരു ഉരുണ്ട ഫേസ് അല്ലേ? അല്ലേ? ഒരു റൗണ്ട് ആയിട്ടല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ ഇതിന് ആകെ ഒരു കേർവ്ഡ് ഫേസ് ആണ് ഉള്ളത്. ഒരു കേർവ്ഡ് ഫേസ് ആണ് ഉള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ. പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ ബുക്ക് ഒന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കൂ. Can you see a book here? Can you see books here kept here? Yes. ബുക്കിന്റെ ഷേപ്പ് എന്താണ്? ബുക്കിന്റെ ഷേപ്പ് ക്യൂബോയിഡ് ആണ്. ക്യൂബോയിഡ്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ഷേപ്സ് ആണ് പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. റെഡി ആണോ നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും? വെരി ഗുഡ്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ നോക്കൂ, ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് ഈ ഷേപ്പ്? എന്താണ് കണ്ടോ? ഈ ഷേപ്പിനെ നമ്മൾ ക്യൂബ് എന്ന് പറയും. വി വിൽ ടെൽ ദിസ് ഷേപ്പ് ആസ് ക്യൂബ്. See what is the peculiarity or properties of this cube? Can you see? I am just trying to turn this around for you. See, every side or every face, see, this is one face. Okay, this is one face. All the faces are squares. All the faces are squares. See, can you see this? Yes. Can you see how it looks? കണ്ടോ? ഞാൻ ട്രാൻസ്പെറന്റ് ആക്കിയതാ. Can you see how it looks like? Yes. So similarly, what have you seen? Ice cubes. Yes or no? Sometimes the ice cubes are like this. Then you play Ludo, isn't it? For Ludo, there is a dice which you are using. Dice is also cube shaped, where all the faces are squares. See, all the faces are squares. Okay, see how it looks like. Now, what is the difference between, see, what is the difference between a square and a cube? Now tell me, what is the difference between a square and a cube? Square. See, this is a square. Yes or no? This is a square. All the four sides are equal. What is the difference between square and a cube? Square has no height or thickness. അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ഒരു പേപ്പറിൽ ഒരു സ്ക്വയർ കട്ട് ചെയ്താല് അതില് thickness ഉണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. പക്ഷെ ക്യൂബിൽ നോക്കൂ, there is a particular height added. So when there is height for any object, it is known as a 3D shape. It is known as a 3-dimensional shape. We will have length, we will have breadth, and we will also have height. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഇതിന്റെ ഫേസസ് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാം. Can we start counting the number of faces it has? Yes. So 1, okay, 2 face, 3 face, 4th face, then we have 5th face, and then we have 6 faces. See, how many faces does a cube have? 6 faces. അല്ലേ? 6 ഭാഗത്തു നിന്നും കാണാൻ ഒരുപോലെ ഇരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഷേപ്പ് ആണ് ക്യൂബ് അല്ലേ? 6 ഭാഗത്തു നിന്ന് 6 faces ഉണ്ട്. ഇനി നമുക്ക് എഡ്ജസ് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാം. What do you mean by edges? Edges എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ലൈൻ ആണ് കേട്ടോ. Edges എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ രണ്ട് ഫേസും കൂടി കൂട്ടി മുട്ടുമ്പോ നമുക്കൊരു ലൈൻ വരുന്നില്ലേ? ആ ലൈനിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എഡ്ജ് എന്ന് പറയാ. സി ദിസ് ഈസ് എഡ്ജ്. ഈ ഫേസും കൂടെ കൂട്ടി മുട്ടുമ്പോ ഒരു ലൈന് വന്നില്ലേ? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് an edge. Okay, so let us try to count the number of edges. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So how many edges does a cube have? Cube in എത്ര edges ഉണ്ട്? 12 edges. A cube has how many edges? It has 12 edges. Very good. Then how many vertices does it have? Vertices എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ point ആണ് ട്ടോ. Vertices എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ point ആണ്. Point means the corner. The corner. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 and 8. One more corner is there. Yes. So how many vertices does a cube have? The cube has 8 vertices. A cube has 8 vertices. Clear ആയോ? അപ്പൊ ഇനി മിസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇനിയൊരു ഷേപ്പ് കാണിച്ചു തരും. ആ ഷേപ്പില് എത്ര സൈഡ്സ് ആണ്, എത്ര ഫേസസ് ആണെന്നുള്ളത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം നമുക്ക്. യെസ്. Okay. Okay, now let us see this shape. Okay, how many sides are there? How many faces are there? You are only going to count. Okay, I am not going to count. Faces എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതാണ്? ഇതല്ലേ? ഈ ഫേസിന്റെ ഷേപ്പ് എന്താ പറയൂ? Triangle shape അല്ലേ? So let us try to count the faces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, അല്ല, 3 edges ആണ് വരുന്നത് അല്ലേ? So let us turn 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, have we counted all the faces? Yes. So it has 8 faces. Now let us see how many edges it has. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then let us turn it around. 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges does it have? This shape also has 12 edges. Okay. Now how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Edges, vertices എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? Corners. Okay. So how many? 5 and 1, 6. So totally now see 11 edges. So one edge we have left somewhere. We did not mark it here. So this shape has 8 faces, 12 edges, and 6 vertices. Is this clear to you? So see this shape. I am rotating this shape. It has a particular height. But plain ആണോ? അങ്ങനെ പരന്നിട്ടാണോ? അല്ലല്ലോ. അല്ലേ? ഇതിന് കുറച്ച് height ഉണ്ട്. So when a shape has a particular height or thickness, it is known as a 3D shape. It is known as a 3D shape. ഇനി മിസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേറെ ഷേപ്സ് കാണിച്ചു തരാം ട്ടോ. So now let us see another shape. See, now ma'am is going to draw a rectangle. Okay, and that rectangle, when we give a height, let us see what it becomes. Okay, so I'm going to draw a rectangle. See, can you see a rectangle? We have studied rectangle in the previous class, isn't it? Now, this rectangle, I am going to give a height. See, when I give a height, what happens? What is happening? Tell me. It has a height and it becomes like a box. Yes or no? This shape is known as cuboid. This shape is known as cuboid. What is this shape known as? It is known as cuboid. Now let us try to rotate and see. Can we rotate it? 1 minute. 1 second. Okay. Not like this. Okay. See the shape? What is formed? So now see, when I rotate the shape, how it looks like. See how many faces it has. This also has 6 faces. See how it looks like. Did you understand? So this shape is known as a cuboid. This is known as cuboid. How many faces does a cuboid have? It has 6 faces. Now let us try to count the number of faces. Okay. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many faces does it have? 6. And like the cuboid also has how many vertices? It has 8 vertices. Okay. And 12 edges. Edges എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താ? രണ്ട് ഫേസും കൂടെ കൂട്ടിമുട്ടുമ്പോൾ വരുന്ന ലൈൻ. ഈ ലൈൻ കണ്ടോ? ഇതിനെയാണ് എഡ്ജ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. എഡ്ജ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Is this clear to you? Yes, what is the shape known as? The shape is known as, this shape is known as, very good, it is known as cuboid. It is known as cuboid. Okay. Now, you have to see in your house where all you can see this shape, and you have to write any 5 objects of this shape. Any 5 objects of this shape. Will you write it? Yes. Now see the shape. Have you seen the shape? Your glass looks like this shape, isn't it? The bottles, your water bottles are of this shape. So this shape is known as cylinder. It is known as cylindrical shape. Your gas cylinder also comes in this shape, isn't it? See, it has one curved face. കണ്ടോ ഇങ്ങനെ വട്ടത്തിലല്ലേ? So ഒരു curved face ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? And see, can you see 2 circles on the top? This is one circle on the top and another circle on the at the bottom. See? So how many faces it has? It has 3 faces. How many faces it has? It has 3 faces and it has how many edges? It has 2 edges. കണ്ടോ ഇതൊരു edge പിന്നെ ഇതും ഒരു edge. Is that clear? Do we have vertices in cylinder? Corners ഉണ്ടോ ഇതില്? No, we do not have any corners. We do not have any corners. So how many faces does a cylinder have? It has 3 faces. One flat face, അല്ലേ? മുകളിലും താഴെയും flat ആയിട്ടുള്ള one flat face. ഇതൊന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ വട്ടത്തിലുള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ സൈഡ് കണ്ടോ? ഈ സൈഡ്. So this is like a curve, അല്ലേ? Curved face. So it is known as curved face. So totally it has 3 faces and 2 edges, but it does not have vertices. It does not have vertices. Is that clear to you? Yes? Okay. Now I will show you one more shape. Okay. I will be showing you one more shape. So children, today what all shapes we have seen? We have seen cube, cylinder, rectangle, rectangular prism is known as cuboid. Okay, then we have seen cone. Now see cone and sphere. Okay, ball looks like a sphere. See, can you see the balloons hanging? So these are spheres, spherical in shape. Your football, your volleyball, all these are spherical in shape. Okay. Now, tell me conical shape, what you can see. Your birthday cap comes in conical shape. Do you all like ice cream? You eat cone ice creams, isn't it? Different flavors. Okay, so though that is also a ice cream cone. Okay, so you have to write after today's class, you have to write 5 objects which is cylindrical in shape, which is spherical in shape, and which is cuboidal in shape, which is cuboidal in shape. Rectangular prism means it is cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Okay, so today you will have to see all these shapes, understand the properties, and then go ahead and see where you can see this in your home. Will you all do that? Yes? Very good. So any two-dimensional shape which has a particular thickness. നമ്മൾ കണ്ടില്ലേ ഒരു ഇങ്ങനെ ഹൈറ്റ് വരുമ്പോ അതിനെയാണ് 3D shapes നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. Okay, so today's class we have learnt about 3D shapes. Okay, so today after this class, what will you do? Tell me. You will go ahead and find out shapes which is round, or we can say sphere shape. Okay, and then you will also find which is cubical shape, then cylindrical shape. That is the homework for you. All right. Fine. So see you in the next class, children. Thank you so much. Take care and stay safe.